has the COVID-19 that we're dealing with now, underscored the criticality of clinical trials?
You know, it really has. What we've seen in relation to, pre-COVID and now during COVID is there was like an immediate shift in how clinical trials were being conducted, and all with an eye toward trying to minimize patient exposure, right? Because cancer patients are already immunocompromised. So the industry really shifted to, this decentralized approach where patients were being mailed or FedExed, their drugs, their treatment, clinical trial drugs. They were getting their diagnostics done locally, and the doctor's visits were being done via telemedicine, all with the goal of minimizing exposure, but really maximizing patient well-being. And the net result of that was that patients are now where a clinical visit might have been an entire day at a treatment center. Maybe they're there for 2 or 3 hours. Now they get in, they get their treatment, and they leave. And so that's kind of the direction that trials have gone during COVID. But I think, clinical trial has now become a household word, right? Because of the quest to find a vaccine for COVID. And we used to spend a lot of time explaining what clinical trials are, why they're so critical to the drug development process and getting new treatments and cures to the market. And fortunately now, we don't have to spend a lot of time on that because people really understand it now.